can see that Sachin Pilot here joining the Voter Adhikar Yatra, a lot of crowd, euphoria, Rahul Gandhi right there, and Sachin Pilot walking along with him. Sachin, do you think this is a Bharat Jodo Yatra moment? Because that was a game changer for Rahul Gandhi as far as his image makeover was concerned.
I think Mr. Gandhi and the Congress party believe in reaching out to the people. The people of Bihar know that the whole vote chori is a reality. And unfortunately, the Election Commission is unable to give any counter to the evidence that Rahul Gandhi provided, especially in Karnataka. So today, this yatra is really taking up the issue that matters to the people. Our democratic roots are so strong, we want nothing to weaken them. Unfortunately, the lack of transparency, lack of accountability, and the questions being raised to the ECI are being left unanswered. And unfortunately, again, we ask questions to the Election Commission, but the BJP answers. And I think we are within our rights to ask for why the footage of CCTV cameras is being deleted, why voter lists are not being given to political parties, why questions are not being answered. And this vote chori is something that the people of India have realized it cannot be allowed to happen anymore.
My last question to you is, there was a video that was circulated and is viral where Prime Minister is being abused at the platform of the Congress party. Do you think the Congress should apologize and own it?
Absolutely condemn any language that's derogatory. And I think what happened was that the yatra had passed, but in this large crowd, if some individual jumps on the mic and says something which is unacceptable, I think it's true that in public discourse there is no space for a foul language. We have always taken issues, taken it with humility but strongly, and I believe that there is no space for this kind of language in Indian politics. But again, like I said, the Congress party, there was no Congress leader, Congress worker. If just someone climbs on the stage and says something, it's unfortunate. It shouldn't have happened.
But still, you know, the thing is that they're saying Rahul Gandhi speaks two tadak language, and that's why the supporters are taking a cue from Rahul Gandhi because he called Prime Minister too.
I've seen Mrs. Sonia Gandhi last 25 years, Mr. Gandhi, Priyanka ji, all of them take up issues very strongly, but I think it's important to ask tough questions. And at no point have we ever been speaking a language that is unparliamentary or that's not acceptable. Ask tough questions, make them uncomfortable, make them accountable. But I think there is no space for disrespect and foul language.
Thank you very much for talking to us. You've always been very kind to come out and just give a word of what the party and the Congress really thinks. Sachin Pilot, they're saying there's no place for foul language in the media, in politics, of course. But yet, you know, one can't vouch for somebody who at random comes and speaks on a stage where the leaders have already left. With video journalist Abhishek Singh, this is Mosmi Singh in Bettiah for India Today.